Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve block the game on FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix or how to solve block the game on FIFA Mobile, you should just go to settings. Here you will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of FIFA Mobile. When you find this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to this window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and then you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.